what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at the Pitaka MagEZ Folio 2 for iPad Pros. This works for the latest 11-inch iPad Pro. Go ahead and open this up and show you if it fits our iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch right here, and I'm just gonna install it on here. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box here. So we've made a few videos on Pitaka, and I like their products a lot. They have a few innovations here and there, different cases. So if you want to check them out, I'll link this down below. So go ahead and check that out. I would recommend for people to look at Pitaka because they have innovations, very thin cases for iPhones as well. Inside is what you get. That's this very thin kind of paperish casing here. There it is. Inside as well has this little kind of magnetic closure here for the pencil so that it'll hold it. The inside as well has this cardboard, all recyclable, and it says thank you letter from Pitaka, and also this is the instruction manual showing off different Pitaka cases and Pitaka MagSafe sliders, Mount Pro, as you can see there. There's different mag cases as well. Even the I think we've reviewed this before here, the MagSafe stand. Pretty nice. Put this away for now. As you can see, this inside here has a suede covering which protects the iPad Pro from getting scratched. For those of you who have invested so much on the iPad, you don't want your case to like scratch your iPad, so this is really good for that. It also has some sort of a tri-fold here that Pitaka has, so it's you can use it for multiple ways to stand up your iPad Pro. Up here, as you can see, it has this big enough hole for the newer iPads that has the LiDAR sensor as well. It's really easy to install, as you can see, just like that. Close it is like so, and then this part right here just magnetically attached right there so that it's snug on your pencil, so it won't come off. Pretty nice. So let's say we want to use it and we want to put this in the back like so. Pretty easy. You just want to tuck that in on the back using that so it won't flop around, and it's also magnetic right there. Now other ways to use it is to use it as a stand. So for example, you want to stand it up portrait mode, you can use it like this. Pretty nice. There you go. Looks beautiful. And then if you want to use it landscape, really easy, you can use it for that as well. That's really good. Now there's multiple ways as well. For example, you want to use this. You use it this way as well, so it's a lower angle, as you can see there. Pretty nice. Higher angle, kind of midway. So on the back here, as you can see, there's a few ways so you can put it on. Just fold it like so, and it'll be like that. Or you can flip it this way, be able to use it like this. Nice. And then have a different height as well by folding it this way on the portrait mode or the landscape as well. Or you could put it the other way by doing this, which is more steep than last time. Pretty good. Now inside the folio case, you can hide the strap as well for the Apple Pencil, as you can see here. And then once you put your iPad, that's really it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new iPad Folio case. This one is from Pitaka. If I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Definitely recommend this for people who want to have a pretty simple folio case with different height, and you can use it for multiple ways here. Comparing it to the Apple version, the Apple one, it's not very good because it's pretty fixed on one spot. This one, there's multiple ways that you can use it, fold it multiple ways. This is good, which is much better than the Apple ones. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.